What we believe is like there is a flood of tablets being made available to the marketplace. Actually, when we went to CS earlier this year, 1 month ago, I think we counted 30 different companies announcing a total of 45 tablets. So the question here is this a new category of devices? Are we here to stay? I mean, is the device definitely needed by consumers? And the answer which we have internally is definitely yes. I think a tablet device needs to provide a minimum portability as well as a maximum playability. So it is this balance between work and play which makes this a successful tablet, fulfilling those consumer demands. So the key for success is whether we will be able to have a product that delivers on those two dimensions. There are a number of tablets, as I mentioned before, being either announced or available in the market, but most of them have significant drawbacks to this duality of work and play. So, for example, some of them have a compromised experience. They are just simply a blow-up smartphone with a bigger screen. The user interface hasn't been optimized for tablet use. There's another category of tablets that are compromised in terms of productivity and playability. Size doesn't allow some of the use cases in terms of full productivity. And finally, there is a number of other tablets being announced which are providing a compromise on portability. They are quite big and heavy, which limits the possibility for a consumer to carry with them all the time. So, what we're introducing today is the LG Optimus Pad, and what we believe is the dimensions and the proposition we are introducing today will set this LG Optimus Pad as the new benchmark and the tablet reference, or the tablet standard for the consumer experience. We will have, we've studied those consumer needs, as I said, in both in terms of work and play, and they have to deliver there anywhere, so they can carry it. The portability is key. So what our LG Optimus Pad is trying to deliver on all of those use cases that are described in the screen. But in summary, there are 3 pillars to the LG Optimus Pad. First of all, productivity performance. Secondly, advanced multimedia. And finally, portability, therefore, designed for portability. That's why we call it PAD. Let's look into productivity performance. This is enabled thanks to the dual core from NVIDIA, as well as the Android 3.0 specification. So we'll watch a quick video where you can already perceive some of the improvements that will deliver on those customer needs for productivity. So, starting with multitasking. Faster web browsing experiences enabled thanks to the dual core technology. Touch responsiveness is being also optimized to enable an improved experience. Android 3.0, as you know, introduces a variety of advanced Google mobile services, including like Google Books, Google Talk, Google Navigation. We will demonstrate some of those later after this presentation. The other dimension, as I mentioned, we mentioned before, is the advanced multimedia. So the LG Optimus Pad not only incorporates a full HD camera in the back, not only for recording but also playback capability. But it does incorporate as well a 3D camera, similarly to the LG Optimus 3D. Let's watch a quick video as well. As I said, you have the full 1080p experience in the device. It's just simply amazing to watch. We have two 5-megapixel stereoscopic cameras put in the back of the device to be able to capture 3D content. We have obviously HDMI interfaces and HDMI 1.4 input to communicate seamlessly with other peripheral devices, like for example 3D TV to watch the 3D video that you've recorded, etc. And finally, in terms of design for portability, LG's unique point and LG's unique display is based on an 8.9-inch resolution. We've actually conducted quite a lot of research, and this video is trying to demonstrate some of those benefits compared to either bigger or smaller competitor devices. And the feedback from most consumers is that 8.9 is the optimal size for both productivity as well as playability. Here you can see how comfortable it is to type compared to bigger smartphones. When you are in a QWERTY mode as well, the ability to have your full hand typing. This is one of the major sources of frustration for some consumers. The device is also very lightweight, 654 grams, which improves the portability aspect of it. When we compare it to another one of those competitor products, it is actually enabling a one-hand grip operation in terms of size and in terms of weight. And one of the key benefits as well is the ability to have a full resolution which enables us to capture more and see more compared to other devices as well. Finally, when you're trying to browse the web with the same font size, you will be able to have an opportunity to see more content. You have less browsing to do in this respect. So, what I would like to do is just a short video summarizing the benefits of the LG Optimus Plan.